You know, look how far it goes really. When you see up there. To do all this 50 acres, it's amazing to think they've ended up here. That's it. Yeah. Good. Keep going. That's good. Well done.
We're at the Colin Burt Reserve for Wildlife Conservation. It's a project of the Fife Conservation Group, and it came around after my dad, Colin, was killed tragically in an accident about 10 years ago now actually. He was a real lover of wildlife. He kind of lived for it really, like that was his hobby, and he integrated it into his job in different ways as well, and he just really loved it. So we decided to get a wildlife reserve in his memory, because what's better than this really? Anything that's a building material is just like so great for, like there's always something that we could do with it.
I don't know if that still came from here to the back,
yes,
is it?
Yeah, yeah.
House Martin's going there.
House Martin's going there, live in there, and obviously then can get in and out, and that just hang underneath the top of the building. I think that's marine ply, is it?
No, it's just it's a shutting ply. It's
shutting ply.
What do you call that stuff? What's the name?
Visa-form.
Visa-form.
Right, but what we've found with this stuff, it lasts a lot longer.
It's got a water coating on it, just because of the concrete.
I got quite a lot of ply recently as well from your site at the church in Edinburgh. You were doing a church up in Edinburgh.
The Methodist
Church in Edinburgh, yeah, a lot of ply came down from there.
So, got the timber from Robertson Construction, all recycled wood. So at the minute we've built a gate to replace an old existing one. So what the guys are doing at the minute, we're putting on hinges. So we've drilled some holes through. We've actually had to modify it slightly and take off some of the spars.
Two of these came from your Grangemouth project. You remember you had little bridges over the...
This is a bridge, aye.
So there's this one here, and we're installing another one through in the woodland area.
Aye, we put it in to go over the foundations, so you didn't need to step over the concrete. These timbers are the roof of the substation, so if you think about it, it was the former ICI plant at Grangemouth, then it became Calichem.
And now we're using them
what
here.
A story,
it's great, isn't it?
And now it's up here.
And recycled and used, and we would hope it would last quite a few years.
These were just pallet timbers, but the actual heavy timber was like the roof of the substation that we were to knock down as the first job at Grangemouth.
Probably as a firm we could maybe have saved a couple of £1,000 just now.
Yeah.
You know, with the fact that you have came and collected it and not put them into the skip.
We've got so many projects here that we wouldn't have been able to do without the donations that we've had.
I know, but just wee things like that netting, right? It's hard for them to get rid of that. But you're using it for your trees, you're using it for your walkway, and it's cuttings that we can't use because we don't have wee jobs like footpaths like this.
No, you've got
so
big
cuttings for us when they're on wood. Well, it was
actually the cuttings, you can see how we've done it. Any small cuttings here, all we've done is cut them down to the size of the tree we need, and use the tie wrap them around a tree stake, and it protects the trees. So what we're going to do here is put two big windows in, and the footpath comes in into the back. You come into the deer hide here, and you can sit obviously, and they watch either the birds or the deer. Everybody's really passionate about what we do. Like, I think everybody, I mean, because it's all volunteers as well, it's like they're here in their free time just working away, and it's just really rewarding to see like how different it was 10 years ago to what it is now. It's like crazy how much we've done, like with the boardwalk and the bird hide and everything. It's just like so much work has been put into it, and people are just so passionate about getting stuff done and keeping it a nice place to be.
We don't do as many as we used to do, but we would still come.
As long as they still want us.
Just go to Australia with this one, I think.
Yeah.
Here we go again, son. Together, right? Up. Up. Up.
There's probably a good few skips worth of stuff here that we've saved. Rather than sticking it into a skip, the guys have came and got it with their trailer, and they've done some stuff with it that you would never think possible. It's a U-bar, but they're 1200 long.
So they would go sink right in the ground, and that should hold it down. I mean, these are quite deep.
Get that back in the hole, and then you could maybe even just chap it right down. Maybe we didn't need to concrete it.